I have here in front of me is a Simply air filters. They come in a 6-pack. Generally, you want to replace your air filters every 3 months. So this will get you up to 18 months in one purchase. These are a MERV 8. And if you don't know a lot about air filtration ratings, they come from 1 to 16. And 16 means like highly restrictive. So 8 is really like in the sweet spot. It doesn't overrun too much drag on your furnace. And like this one here, I put a furnace down the bottom. These are also good for up above where you have the air being pulled through. Multiple sizes available, made in the USA. MERV 8 filter is specifically designed to capture common indoor pollutants that affect air quality and allergies, including pollen, dust mites, mold spores, household dust, and lint. So make it easy on yourself. Buy a 6-pack. You'll be set for 18 months. USA-made product. Great ratings. MERV 8, right in the sweet spot. So check them out.